So, embodying integrity and responsibility is fundamental for personal and professional success as they form the foundation for trustworthiness and accountability. So, integrity and responsibility lay the groundwork for a successful, fulfilling life. They establish a basis for trust, creative, positive environments, and promote personal growth. Together, these qualities drive meaningful relationships, foster respect, and lead to a strong, enduring reputation, whether in personal relationship, career aspiration, or community involvement. Integrity and responsibility are traits that build a legacy of reliability and ethical leadership. So, I will be going to elaborate the significance and the importance of integrity. So, the integrity is a core value that signifies a person's honesty, fairness, and unwavering commitment to moral principles. It means being true to yourself and your beliefs regardless of external circumstances or pressures. People with integrity make ethical decisions even when it's difficult or inconvenient. They avoid shortcuts, upholding standards even when no one is there to observe them. When faced with challenges, integrity driven individuals choose what is right over what is easy, beneficial, or popular. They act in ways that align with their inner values rather than compromising to gain a favor or avoid conflicts. Having having integrity also means taking responsibility for one's actions, including mistakes. People people who value integrity doesn't shift blame. They own up to errors and learn from them. This honesty fosters respect and strengthens relationship as others can see. They are dependable and trustworthy. Integrity establishes a foundation of trust because people know they can rely on someone to be fair and honest. This trust extends to all areas, from personal relationship to professional settings, where integrity creates a reliable and supportive environment. And in a workplace, integrity encourages collaboration and open communication as people feel safe sharing their thoughts without fear of unfair criticism or retaliation. It sets a standard of transparency and accountability that drives a culture of ethical conduct. And so when leaders model integrity, they inspire others to follow suit, creating an organization where everyone is committed to honesty and respect. Integrity empowers individuals to resist pressures to act unethically, such as cheating, lying, or taking undue advantage of others. It strengthens one's sense of self worth, as it involves aligning actions with values. For example, For example, if someone promise to complete a project on time, integrity means they will put in the necessary effort to fulfill the commitment. This creates this consistent behavior creates reliability, allowing people to feel confident in that person's word. So, individuals with integrity are often seen as role models, inspiring others to pursue ethical paths. They set positive examples showing that maintaining values is achievable and worthwhile. And then maintaining integrity also means being transparent in motives without hiding agendas. It's about showing genuine intent and treating everyone fairly, regardless of status or background. This level of fairness promotes inclusivity and prevents favoritism. People with integrity make decisions based on facts, not bias, ensuring a just environment where everyone has an equal opportunities to succeed. And here, integrity build trust with stakeholders. When a company acts with integrity in its CSR efforts, it builds trust with stakeholders, including customers, employees, investors, and communities. Integrity in CSR means the company follows through in its commitments and doesn't engage in greenwashing or misleading claims about its social and environmental impact. Example, a corporation that commits to reducing its carbon footprint and genuinely tracks and report progress demonstrate integrity. This transparency builds trust with environmentally conscious consumers and can enhance companies' reputation. And also, integrity builds trust, respect, and a positive environment. It is a powerful quality that influences relationships, workplaces, and communities, creating a world where people feel empowered to do what is right.